VMware by Broadcom. Let's quickly talk about the 31st of July, because that was the final deadline which Broadcom gave all white label hosts to start managing the usage meter of all their sub-service providers. Potential consequences if you have not set up the sub-CSP usage meters appropriately based on the documentation is that you might be charged overage for these cores because they cannot be tracked back to the commit ratios. Also, this finally proven what we have been saying since January is that usage meter needs to be operated by the white label host. In our case, for example, comdivision. For the white label sub-CSP, they might be able to administer the vCenter part out of it, but the usage meter by itself is to be maintained by the white label host, which is also responsible to fix any issues within a certain amount of hours. So we have been tracking this with all our service providers for the last couple of months. Whenever there is an issue, we reach out to them from a support perspective and make sure everything is up and running to not risk for our providers that they get a heavy overusage or overage bill at the end of the day. Is this all working for you? If not, feel free to drop me a question in the comments and feel free to reach out so that we can actually make sure that you always are up to date. And if you're not doing so already, follow us in social media so that you get always the latest and greatest around VMware by Broadcom, especially for service providers. If you haven't done so, we are going to be at Explore in Las Vegas. We have not only our customer briefing center where you can learn all the greatest and latest about our challenge days, architecture events, service offerings we have around VCF migration, design assessments, and all these wonderful things. But also on Monday evening, we are going to host a poker tournament. We have still a few seats left. Feel free to reach out to me or anyone else from the comdivision team to get your seat at the table in the Venetian poker tournament. You don't have to bring any money to the event. We will basically take care of all of that, and there will be some fun prizes out of that. All the rules and everything else on our event page, which I will link in the comment section later on. Hope to see you all in Las Vegas and hope that you all set up meetings with us so that we can actually keep you updated and meet you finally in person. See you in Vegas.